Hey everybody, this is Trish from Crazy Engine Treasures, and I got two boxes to open up. So let's see what I got. First, get yourself a sharp knife. So, how is everybody doing? I'm excited. I like when I get mail. And this is yarn. Aha! That I won. Guess what? Where did I win it? I won it at an auction. I bought three 200 grams of pink puff Bernat blanket. Look at that. Three of these for $10. All three, $10. And it's Bernat blanket, so you know what to expect. And two Mary Maxim big balls in wisteria. Big ball. Big balls. And I got those for $18 for both of them, so $9 each. Okay, so that's enough out of this box. That was my auction. Now, this is my Mary Maxim order. Oops. It's a heavier box. Oh. Oh, don't mind me. I'm sniffling. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, so for my Mary Maxim order, what I did was I ordered two big balls of this. Now this was, let me get my invoice. These, Lisa, were $4.47 each, and I got two of them. So $4.47 for one of these. It is a well, it's 100% acrylic. Tells you to use a 3.5 or a 4.5 hook. 250 grams. It's made in Germany. It's soft, squishy soft, but it doesn't tell you what it is. If it's a 4-weight or a 3-weight. I would say it's a light 3, or yeah, I'd say it's a 3. I don't know. Maybe a light 4. But anyway, regardless, I got two of them for my amigurumis because you can't have enough white. I got one of these. Red Heart It's a Wrap in Action, and I got one of them for $6.74, and I only got one because I already have two. Gonna do some color control and make a shawl. And then I bought 9 of these Aran Irish Tweed. And I bought 9 of them because I'm making a sweater for me. Me for winter. So yeah, 4 ounces, 205 yards, 98% acrylic, 2% viscose, and that's the tweed. Machine washable and dryable, and it's a medium 4. And this is the color Aran Tweed. It's by Mary Maxim. So yeah, it says use a 5mm crochet hook. I just might. We'll see. Don't tell me what to do. Okay. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this bag, and then 4 loose. So, and then, oh yes, and I ordered a tote bag. Look at that, isn't that pretty? I got a floral tote. Isn't that pretty? I wanted it for my yarn. Oh, I like that. Isn't that pretty? It was on sale, so I wanted to get one. So I'm going to put my extra yarn in here. That's not in the bag. So yeah, that's that box done. So there you go. There's my 2 orders. Mary Maxim was far more expensive out of the 2, but that's okay. Like I said, I got my yarn for my sweater, which I will work on before winter. I have a shawl in mind with action, but I wanted to make sure I had enough of all the colors because I'm going to do a fairly large shawl. So I have 2 others. Yes, 2 others. And what else have I bought? Oh, I got a new phone yesterday. I had an S9, a Galaxy S9. I upgraded it to a Galaxy S22. Oh my goodness, I love my phone. My phone is so awesome. So I've just been spending the day getting used to my new phone and making sure everything transferred over. So far, so good. And yeah, so I got a new phone. Oh, got a set of crochet hooks for the giveaway. When I reach 200 subscribers, I am giving away 2 sets of crochet hooks for sure. I got 2 sets, one bamboo and one knot. Let me show you the bamboo ones. They are in here somewhere. Oh, I got 3 sets. There's another little set. And here's my bamboo. There's my bamboo hooks right there. So yeah. So I've got 3 sets of hooks for prizes for my giveaway when I reach 2,000 subscribers. Remember to share me out to your family and friends, please, so I can get there so we can have a giveaway. Wouldn't that be awesome? Have a giveaway. I haven't picked out what yarn I'm giving away yet, but I have some other stuff that I have made that I'm giving away. Because we don't just do yarn here on this channel, we do all sorts of other things. And I haven't done all sorts of other things on my channel yet because my room isn't set up yet. But it's going to get there. And I'm going to make some stitch markers to go into the giveaway. So I've got some stitch markers, I've got some earrings made, I've got some bracelets. So it's going to be a huge giveaway. Lots of prizes. I just need that 200 subscribers and we can get it done. So hint, hint, people, share me out, share me out, share me out. And other than that, life has been good. I've had a peaceful week. No negativity. It's been good. Been taking it easy, taking care of me and my hubby. We had a good anniversary. And yeah, we've just been taking it easy. Went to Regina yesterday for groceries and water. 8 bottles of water. And we still had bottles at home. But, you know, when you get to 8 bottles of water, it's time to go and get more water. So we filled our 8 bottles of water and got home a little later. Oh, another thing I ordered, a whole bunch of these needle threaders. Krista from the Secret Yarnery, these are her favorite, I do believe, her favorite. Anyway, she mentioned these on one of her lives, that these are really nice. And what she does is she glues a button in the middle there so they're easier to hold on to, and that's what I'm going to do. So I know I bought a pack of them because those little tiny wire needle threaders aren't strong enough. I break them all the time doing the bigger wools. So you use this end for big wool, this end for little or thread. Yeah, and they just fit in the needle. It's not a problem. Go all the way through. So, yeah, I've been wanting to get these for a while, so I'm glad I did. So now I have them. I have about 60 of them, 50 of them, or something like that. And other than that, I don't have any projects done yet. I've been busy. I didn't get much crocheting done yesterday. I was too busy shopping and getting a new phone. So, and I did not get any yarn yesterday. I was a good girl because I knew my Mary Maxim order was coming, and I ordered some. I won that yarn in the auction, so I knew that was coming. So I figured that was enough for this month. And then there's I got to go on Saturday. I got to go to drive about 2 hours to this town because I won another auction. So I gotta go pick up my winnings there. I can't remember what I won. Yeah, I won an Amish table swift. I did win that. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you all take care of you, take care of your loved ones, stay safe and healthy. Bye, everybody. Have a great day.